Welcome, myself Gksr from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SVC Bangalore. Today I am going to explain the subject microwave and antenna having a subject code of 18EC63. Moving on to the topic, scattering matrix for E-plane TE junction. We are going to discuss about scattering matrix for E-plane TE junction in this presentation. Moving on to the topic, next slide. It is formed when rectangular slot is cut along the breadth of length along a waveguide and side arm is inserted from top as shown. When microwave signal is allowed to propagate through E arm, phase shift of 180 degrees is produced between the electric field lines coming out of port 1 and port 2. You can see the diagram of E-plane direction. Uh, Here it is the side arm of E-plane collinear arm. Collinear arm, this is a single block where side arm is perpendicular to the collinear arm. Plane of symmetry, TO mode. Electric field lines moving in this direction. The port 1 and port 2 are shown here. This is about the E-plane. Moving on to the next slide. Characteristics of E-plane. Here we are going to discuss about characteristics of E-plane. Mm, because of symmetry, S32 is equal to minus S31. One of the proper characteristics of E-plane is symmetric property as symmetric symmetric in the sense sxy is equal to minus s yx. It's the basic index for the symmetric property. From that property we are showing here s32 is equal to minus s31, sorry, s yes, port 3 is perfectly matched. So as the port 3 is perfectly matched, we are giving here s33 is equal to 0, symmetric property of s matrix. Sij is equal to sji, as we discussed earlier, less xy is equal to syx. We all know that matrix is equal to in the matrix x11 s12 s13 s1 s21 s22 s minus s13 s13 minus s13 0. This is the matrix of S. From linearity property, we all know that the linearity property S transpose equal to U. U in the sense unity unit matrix. We can see here 100 010 001 is the unit matrix. The linearity property will says that the matrix into its transpose matrix is equal to an unit matrix. We can see from the PPT that S11, S12, S13, S12, S22, S minus S13, S13 minus S13 0 into its transpose matrix S11 star S11 S12 S13 S12 S22 minus S13 S13 minus S13 is equal to 0 is equal to unit matrix 100 010 001. It's an unit matrix. Moving on to the next slide. Multiplying the S matrix and S star matrix will give that S11 square plus S11 square plus S11 square is equal to 1. Consider this as equation 1, which it is used in the next steps. It will be the value of this is utilized in the next step. That's why we are considering this as equation 1 as row 2 and column 2, multiplying row 2 and column 2 in the sense s12 square s22 square plus s13 square is equal to 1. Consider this also an equation 2. uh, multiply R3 and C3, S13 square and plus S13 square is equal to 1. Consider this as equation 3. R3 and C1, S13 into S star 11 minus S13 into S star 12 is equal to 1. Equation 4, consider these four equations. From equation 3, we can S13 square plus S13 square. In the sense, 2 S13 square is equal to 1. That's so that S13 square equal to 1 by 2. So that S13 is equal to 1 by square root 2. Square root of 1 by 2, square root of 1 is 1. So that 1 by square root 2, consider this as equation 4. Here we got the value of S13. S13 is equal to 1 by root 2. Comparing the equation 1 and 2, compare these two equations, which implies S22 is equal to S11. In the sense, you can by comparing the equation 1 and 2, we can say that S22 is equal to S13. Moving on to the next slide. From equation 4, S13 into S square 11 minus S square 12, or S11 is equal to S12 is equal to S22. From the equation 4, we can consider this as consider this equation as new equation, equation 6. Substitute S13 and S12 in equation 2, implies S11 square plus S11 square plus 1 by 2 is equal 1 by root 2 whole square. The value is 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. 2 S11 whole square equal to 1 by 2, or S11 equal to 1 by 2. The sense S11 square equal to 1 by 4. S11 is equal to square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, S11 is equal to S12 equal to S22 now. From the equation 6. So that all these three values are 1 by 2. Therefore we can conclude them, we can give the matrix S equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and 0. Consider B equal to SA. Move on to the next slide. B1, B2, B3. These are all matrix of 1 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 by 3 matrix of S. And A matrix is also 1 by 3 matrix. So that B1 is equal to 1 by 2 A1 plus 1 by 2 A2 plus 1 by root 2 A3. B2 is equal to 1 by 2 A1 plus 1 by 2 A2 minus 1 by root 2 A3, and then B3 is equal to 1 by root 2 A1 minus 1 by root 2 A2. Hope you understood the concept. I feel so grateful for presenting in front of you, and then thank you guys. Bye bye.